Alright, today we built the Hi-Hat Cafe playset from the Detective Pikachu sub-theme of the Mega Construx Pokemon line. And it's kind of a weird choice for a playset since nothing really happens in the movie that much there other than some characters having a drink and talking a lot. The other option for a playset was the Detective's Office set, and I decided to go with this one because the Detective's Office just comes with Pikachu, and this one comes with Ludicolo, which is the main draw of the set. And he's actually pretty fantastic. He looks like he would just be one solid figure, but he's got like movable legs on ball joints. He's got very posable movable arms all on ball joints. His torso moves, the hat moves, and he's just a really great put together figure. Like, I think he's one of the best that Mega Construx has done. And then Pikachu is one of the newer models. He's got the solid tail piece. It's not brick built. He's got the newer feet that's got points and not just the one peg. And then the hat is just also a peg that fits into a hole in the top of the head. The playset itself is okay. It's got some decent features. There's lots of options for drinks. You've got soda, milk, tea. You've got this little drink catapult thing, which is kind of weird because nothing like that really happens in the movie. You've got drink dispensers, stacks of plates. So there's some playability for kids, and that could be an appeal for this set. But for collectors, then the draw is really just this guy, and he's really fantastic. So if you can find the set clearance someplace, which should be pretty soon because Detective Pikachu's been out for a while now, then I would definitely recommend getting it, just for the two figures alone. You get Pikachu in the adorable little detective hat, you get the fantastic Ludicolo, and then you get kind of a decent cafe set piece that's not a bad backdrop. It really, Mega Construx's weakness is a lot of their set pieces that most of the time seem like they're tacked on to raise the price. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. This one's someplace in the middle. It's not terrible. But that's it for this week. Tune in next time when I do another action figure unboxing. And until then, happy hunting.